Well, good day everybody. Happy 4th of July. Today is July 3rd, 2023, and here's some of the stuff I picked up over the weekend at estate sales, flea markets, and garage sales. I'm going to start this off. There's an Armstrong thin service wrench, 5/8 by 3/4 Craftsman box wrench. Snap-on offset box wrench. Got a super ratchet by Williams, 3/8 drive. Got a KD brake bleeder wrench. Over here I picked up 5 open-end wrenches from Mercedes Benz. I guess they're out of toolkits. It's not a set or anything. It's just loose wrenches. And over here we got an SK 7/16 combination wrench, a snap-on 1/2 by 7/16 box wrench, Mac IW22 11/32 angle wrench, got a 5/16 Mac combination wrench, and a 3/8 by 7/16 open-end Blue Point. This industrial finish is a Hazit, I think 8mm by 12mm. And over here I picked up this Leatherman Wave along with a Micra in the case. This is an Autolite spark plug gapper. Kind of a cool little tool. just thought it was cool and it was $1, so I took it. Got a pile of Craftsman ignition wrenches. Got this Shoemaker MC1 1-amp slow charger. Got a Craftsman orange handle. I believe that's a Master Mechanic 3/8 drive stubby quick release. Got some Craftsman 8-point sockets, a couple of Craftsman adapters. Got this Klein Tools wire stripper, a Stanley 199 knife, and I got this snap-on 24-inch pry bar. Also something I never saw before. This is a Craftsman tool tray. I don't know what toolbox it goes in or what. I just thought it was kind of unique. It's got a mesh wall in it, kind of cool. And then I also picked up these 2 ping putters at a estate sale. One's Ping Crazy, pretty desirable putter, and a Ping Piper H putter. So that's the haul for this weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and until the next one, have a great week.